Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Shadow Aero 750 V-twin, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected shaft drive. This one is really got those classic lines, but it's a blacked-out engine and blacked-out wheels. Really cool metallic root beer brown paint scheme. Mustang saddle, rear passenger backrest, only 9,100 miles on this awesome debadged Shadow Aero. Come on by, make your low seat height V-twin cruiser dreams come true for just $72.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.